guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series guys, E46, this should cover the years from 1998 to year 2006, and you're trying to find your transmission control module, okay, known as TCM, or the transmission computer. We'll show you guys where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it. We will also have a video guys about programming one, so please check it out. It will be on the channel coming very soon. Now we will guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the content. So let's start on it now. So in order to remove the TCM, the transmission control module guys, we'll need to go ahead and disconnect the car battery. Every time you mess with it, you need to disconnect your car battery. Do not forget to do that, otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system. So that's what we'll be doing guys next. Whether you have a convertible, sedan, two-door coupe, the procedure will be the same. So usually you have that cover on top of the battery guys, okay, right here. This cover will need to be removed. It has only two clips that you need to remove. You pull it out, later you get to the battery, and it's very important how you disconnect it. You need to disconnect the negative terminal first. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, otherwise you can burn your car electronics. Disconnect the positive now as well. You have to be extremely careful because okay, that cable right there, it's part of the airbag system guys. It has charge in it, so if the car is in an accident, it kicks the cable out, so there is no electricity going to the engine in the computer, so the car doesn't catch on fire. And we're ready to continue now. So, next step guys, in order to get to the transmission computer guys, we need to open the hood of that BMW. Let us show you now. Right here you have one box guys, okay, this box, and that's where okay, your transmission computer will be located. We'll show you how to remove that one now. Okay, let me turn the light so you can see a little bit better. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, and those are guys with Torx 25 star looking bit. Okay, this one right here, it should be 25. That's what it looks like. Okay, you can see all the tools and parts that we use are listed in the description of the video below. Unbelievable deal on sockets. So we'll go ahead and remove the 4 screws now. You don't even have to take them all the way out, just a little bit until they release the bottom from the bottom plastic. Okay, like that. Now you grab that cover, pull it like that in an angle and then slide it out. Okay, and you can see how we didn't have to remove them all the way so we don't lose them. Now guys, the computer that we're looking at, okay, is the TCM, the transmission computer, is this guy right here with the blue. So how we guys remove that computer now? Okay, we're going to start on this side. You can see that connector, that dot in the middle. Press it in and then we need to slide that black thing on top of it. Okay, like that. Push all the way down, it will kick the wire out. One more here. Okay, perfect. And then this one, just squish on this side, pull it out. Amazing. Now we have 2 teeth. Okay, one there, one back here. We need to press those out. Okay, and we need to lift the computer up. Okay, it started going up. I dropped it. I missed it. Careful not to damage any wires. If some wires are in the way, you can go ahead and remove them if you have to. Okay, let's see, we're still hitting there guys, so I'm going to disconnect these wires. Okay, so right here, that black wire comes out, okay, like that, and then we have that white one, we squish towards each other right here, pull this one out as well. We don't want to cause any damage. And this is guys your transmission computer on your BMW E46. That's how you guys remove it. Putting it together, it's in reverse order, we took it apart. For the programming part guys, we have a video on the channel, please check it out. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.